Hello, today I will show you how to open the device and what are the options for upgrading the device. First, it is necessary to unscrew 11 screws as in the video. Carefully remove the bottom cover of the device, under which is motherboard. We have two slots with DDR4 memory. Memory. SSD drive. Be careful when you remove the screws from SSD drive, they can fall on the motherboard which is connected to the battery and the motherboard can be destroyed. You can find additional details of the device in the video description. The device can be upgraded with one M.2 SSD drive and one DDR4 memory. Charger. Battery. I hope the video helped you. You can subscribe for free for new videos.